Welcome to Musical Memory.
Welcome to Playtime Co. Today you will be competing to the death in a series of classic children's-themed games in a hidden facility while attempting to survive the giant doll to win. Hey, shut up. The game starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
I got this. This be a kiddies game.
Blue. Blue, red,
Let's
yellow,
get this red
violet,
one.
violet,
Yeah,
red,
wait.
yellow, blue, violet, red,
I'm a genius.
Come on, bro, why don't you go?
Among Us, Among Us, Among Us, Among Us.
Oh, okay, wait, no, I've totally seen you use your hands in other shorts.
Among Us, Among Us, Among Us.
He said he can only use his hands when it's funny.
yellow, green, violet, red, green, violet, 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 yellow, green, violet, red, green, violet, 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 red, green.
Ah, my feet!
I understand it, guys. The game isn't about memory, but about propositional equivalences. And 4 degrees west of—
Ah, my back!
Oh my god, you guys suck! It's not that hard, look!
Blue,
Whew. This is harder than I thought.
red, green, yellow,
Now, Bunzo. Oh!
I can hear again!